Hey guys, this is Eric RPG, and when I last left off, I went through Stage 3 into the Ark Nova and destroyed the base before it could be dropped onto the planet. Which would have probably killed the Earth. Or at least, really damaged and messed things up for everyone. So those people were crazy. We did a good thing. So in this level, we have to go after a rocket, I guess. Or shuttle. Intercepted a transmission from the enemy base. Shuttle. Where are they going? They already dropped a base. I don't think they have another one. Nope. He wore the red shirt. He's gonna blow up. Of course he's gonna die. Actually, I don't know about that red shirt. I just know I need to kill these things. Or just avoid them, because they don't drop power-ups. I have plenty of lives. Yeah, they'll jump out of tanks, but... I'm gonna save state here. I forgot to make a backup of my save. Oh well. The game isn't terribly long. Recovering my progress isn't that big of a deal. I really need a level 3 Valken. It's just that much more powerful. I really need health. Just keep advancing. Oh, I need that. Oh, I nearly avoided. Didn't get there. I'm running low on health. Good thing there's a section up here. Yeah, that's what happens when you die. I really need to take care of these guys. Can't say they know that. Ooh, it's a new weapon. It's a laser. It starts out weak, but it can pierce enemies and walls. Well, certain walls. Walls like this. But Apparently that code I put in doesn't work, at least in this version. I'm not gonna go that way. I need health, and badly. The laser recharges after a while. I'm going to probably rank it up first and foremost. Well, I really needed that. Let's get rid of those anti-aircraft guns. I don't want to get hit. There we go. One more for the laser. Whoa. Yeah, I'm still not at the checkpoint yet. Come on. Well, that didn't work out. I took a hit there. That sucked. Finally, a level 2 laser. I'm getting somewhere. They die much more quickly. This one requires 6 of them. There is something down here. Of course. Ooh, a P. Kinda wasn't expecting that. Oh, we're back at the beginning. I thought the level would have auto-scrolled already by now. Forgot to check the map for the radar. Yeah, there is something down there. Gotta go from the other side, though. Oh, there was a hell thing in there. Oh, awful. Yeah, I needed that. Yeah, that was foolhardy. accidentally picked up napalm. Oh well. Well, I suppose it's... okay. That was awful. And he's dead already! Haha! Look how quickly the laser takes that thing out. Almost forgot about the health power-up. Holy shnikes. I don't know. They still drop bombs even though they're falling. Destroying things everywhere. Everywhere. Holy crap. Oh, should I? Nah. I'll upgrade my Valkens later when there's only one area I can upgrade them in. Because I'll be cut off the access in the next level for my other weapons. So I'm gonna develop the laser first. Oh, I'm at the end of the segment. Good. Probably gonna die here. Who knows, maybe I'll be lucky. Looks like he didn't make it. Sorry about that. Rocket boosters. How are you gonna send them to me? I'm all the way over in here. I'm surprised the liftoff doesn't vaporize me. What's it being operated under? And approach. Shouldn't that say on approach? This game's English. Probably going to have to spend a life here. I'm not gonna play. Yeah, I didn't think I could. Oh well, I have 3 credits and I know exactly where to use them. Of course you take off my weapon I was using. I could take out those annoying things. Yes, I've stopped it. It's going down. I've destroyed the shuttle. Prepare for landing. That'll be the end of this episode. Yeah, we need to end the war. Quickly.